Welcome to the farm. We thought we'd make a quick little video of what we do with our hanging baskets when we're doing a new pot or something around our property. We know a lot of you are into gardening, and there's some tricks that we do that help with the watering situation. It gets super hot here. This is the south side of the farmhouse, and we have no shade of any kind, so anything we plant in these baskets just gets cooked. And so for years we have added wool pellets to our planters mix that we hang our stuff in to hold on to the water so that we don't have to water as often and the plants have a chance to survive. But we've always had to buy that product from other states or have it shipped in because there was no place local. And there is a local source now. The name of the company is Woolly Garden, and they are out of Houston. And so we're going to show you how we kind of put this together, and then how we water the first couple of times, and what we do for fertilization of these plants with the wool pellets in the dirt. So let's get to work. All right, so we have our bag of potting mix. It's the 2 cubic yards, and the 2-pound bag of wool pellets. So we're going to mix this up and fill up our baskets that are up here on the wall. And we're going to add our annuals for the summer that we got from the Greenery Nursery in Turlock. So let me get that done, and then we will show you how we water and fertilize throughout the season. The first couple of waterings are important with the wool pellets to make sure they get hydrated and have a chance to expand and soak up with water. All right, so we got our plants in, our potting soil was put in with the wool pellets all mixed together, so everything is ready to go. We're down to fertilization and watering now. So we're going to talk about fertilization first. So wool pellets are naturally have nitrogen in them that it will break down over the season. So when we fertilize, we're not going to add any nitrogen. We're just going to use a liquid fertilizer. This is a Alaskan microbloom, and it's just the P and the K that are the two big numbers, and there's 0 on the nitrogen. And the middle one's the one you're looking for blooms and root growth. The last number is for overall plant health. So the nitrogen in the wool pellets is going to take care of the first part, and we're just going to concentrate on the last 2. So I mixed it already in my water. And the key to watering, especially the first time, is you want to water it in, let it rest for a few minutes, and then go back and hit it again. It takes time for the wool pellets to absorb all the water. Over time, the roots will find where the wool pellets are because they're going to hang on to the most water, and they'll grow around the wool pellets and keep your plants healthy and stop them from drying out, especially in the hot sun in their small containers. All right, so we're just going to come in and hit them with the water and the fertilization, and just a little bit. We're going to let this soak in, and then we're going to let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to hit it again. And since it's brand new, we're probably going to hit it a 3rd time. If you water so much that water starts running out the bottom, you've watered too much. That's just wasting. It's just coming out at the end. All right, I hope that the little video we put together helps you in your garden. Gives you some tips on how to keep everything growing during the hot summer months, lessens your water. In case you forget to water, maybe buys you some time. We'd like to thank Woolly Garden. They're not a sponsor, but this is just a really good product with a local source. We prefer to buy local when we can. And so I'll link bios or whatever I can and videos so you have access to kind of see where they're at. In case you're interested in the products, you can get your hands on it. I'd like to thank the Greenery again. They've helped us out tremendously this year on the farm. We got all our annuals from them. You'll be able to see them from the farm. You can actually see down this line here, so you can check it out and see how they're growing throughout the summer as you come and visit. Take care, everybody, and live life in full bloom.